The mind-body problem is a philosophical debate regarding the relationship between the mind and the body, specifically addressing how mental states and physical states are related. This conundrum has raised important questions about consciousness, perception, and the nature of existence. Descartes' dualism, a concept in philosophy, proposes the existence of two separate and distinct substances, the mind and the body. This concept suggests that the mind and body are independent entities with different natures, challenging the traditional view of the unity of human existence. Contemporary physicalism, the philosophical view that everything is physical or can be explained by physical processes, faces challenges in explaining subjective experiences like consciousness and mental states. Neuroscientific research has unveiled new insights into the connection between brain function and language acquisition, comprehension, and production. Understanding the neural mechanisms underlying language processing has the potential to revolutionize language learning and therapy for individuals with language disorders. Consciousness plays a crucial role in the mind-body problem, serving as the bridge between the subjective experience of the mind and the physical processes of the body. It raises questions about how mental phenomena, such as thoughts and emotions, relate to the physical brain and body. Understanding the nature of consciousness is key to resolving this philosophical and scientific conundrum. Quantum theories provide a fascinating framework for understanding the behavior of particles and energy at the atomic and subatomic levels. They have significant relevance in various fields, including physics, chemistry, and technology. Neural correlates of consciousness refer to the physical processes in the brain that are associated with conscious experiences and awareness. Understanding these correlates is crucial in unraveling the mechanisms behind human consciousness and its role in cognitive processes. The emerging interdisciplinary perspectives on mind-body interactions are shedding new light on the interconnectedness of physical health and mental well-being, emphasizing the profound impact of thoughts and emotions on one's physiological state.